Hello everyone, my name is Angelica and welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about creating beautiful and realistic paper flowers. Whether you're decorating your home, crafting gifts or just looking for a fun DIY project, these three ideas are perfect for you. They are all beginner friendly and require minimal supply. So let's dive in and get started. First, flowers will be done out of a kitchen towel. At first, I tear it into separate pieces. Sometimes you can find kitchen towel with smaller tissues. If yours is like mine, square, fold them in half and cut. For each flower, I need 4 pieces. Put them nicely together and fold into an accordion, about 2 centimeters high pieces. Take thread and secure the paper in the middle by making a knot. With the scissors, cut both ends of the paper. Try to create rounded ends. As there are many layers of paper, you might need to cut a few of them at a time. Then open up your paper. To give this flower more realistic look, start separating all the layers of the paper. Do it gently and one petal at a time. Go opposite directions and make it look full. For the stems, I'm using wooden barbecue skewers. I put some hot glue at the sharp end and push it inside the flower. These flowers will be made from cupcake liners. Of course, you can use any other color. Take single cupcake form and make cuts along its edge, all the way to the bottom. You can make them wider or narrower, it's up to you. Try at first to make all the parts the same size. I cut mine 8 times. Starting from one side, I start giving these parts more petal shape, slightly round cuts. Then I turn the liner and cut other side of the petal. You can make the petals round or pointy. It will depend on how you cut them. Once you practice and know how big parts you need to cut, you can take a few cupcake liners at the same time and cut them. Just make sure you hold them firmly together. If you've seen my videos before, you must notice the tool I use consistently in my projects. It's this stylish and sleek hot glue gun from Hotto. I was kindly gifted my first cordless glue gun a while ago, and since that time I haven't used anything else. This tool heats up quickly, allowing you to start gluing within a minute. The battery lasts for hours, allowing you to create beautiful craft. It stands upright and has minimal dripping, so it prevents messy work. If you are looking for a reliable hot glue gun, which also looks great, check out the Hotto website, linked down below. Now back to my flowers. I take one piece, fold it in half in few places, and then squeeze together. Open it up, put some hot glue and squeeze it again. Take another piece, repeat the process and glue it to the back of the first one. Each flower will contain 5 cupcake liners. Try to turn slightly each layer so the petals are nicely spread around. have a few ideas for this flower. First one is to attach it to the stem, which is wooden barbecue skewer wrapped in green floral tape. You can double it up for the flower to look fuller. My flowers I decided to add to the wreath. 4 eucalyptus leaves wrapped around wire look great with these white, cute flowers. This time flowers will be made out of a crepe paper. Again, you can choose any color you like. Cut short piece and then divide it in half. One piece folds twice. Make sure all edges are straight and in line with each other. With scissors, I cut out petal shapes. This piece of paper gave me 4 petals. Each one, before stretching it out, measures approximately 24 times 7 centimeters. To add more interest and make them look more realistic, I paint them. I color them with my powder blush. I take small brush and apply it over my paper. You have to put a bit of pressure when applying it. I focus mainly on the middle section. I take center of each petal and gather it together. To secure it, I take thin green wire and wrap it around. I fold it in half and wrap more wire at its bottom. Separate all petals and open them up, but only the bottom part of it. This will be only possible with crepe paper. Spread them evenly and the flower is ready. I grabbed the branch from outside. It's actually a branch from magnolia tree. Now is the blooming season, but I removed the flowers from mine. I make sure to leave long enough wire at the back of the flowers to be able to wrap it around the branch. It looks so great and you can enjoy the magnolia at your home all year round. And now you have it, 3 stunning realistic paper flowers you can make at home. If you give these paper flowers a try, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more crafty fun. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.